How are you guys? And I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you so much for having me today, as I am so excited and I'm so happy as I am given this opportunity to share about products. I am Jessica Pun Yin, Sharon Rose Master from Atomy, Malaysia. Displayed in front of me are the many products that I truly love from Atomy Mall. And we're gonna start our sharing with the basic things that everyone does every single day, which is brushing our teeth. It is so important to take care of our oral and dental health. Therefore, many of us need to invest in good toothpaste and toothbrush. Have you ever heard of beauty is power? Our smile is our sword. In Atomy Mall, there are 3 types of toothbrush, which is the round toothbrush, which is the normal toothbrush, compact toothbrush, and kids toothbrush. Alright, and here I have the 2 toothbrush, which is the normal one, and the compact toothbrush. Both of them actually use a similar technology where both of them have very super slim bristle. Alright, aside from that, it is antibacterial because it contains antibacterial membrane where it is so effective in keeping itself clean even though we don't use it for some time. It is also has this very round slim head and it is so easy to grip. And when I say it's easy to grip, this handle is actually nature friendly and also chemical free. And the difference with this compact toothbrush is the bristle, the head is actually slightly smaller than the normal toothbrush. Okay, as you can see, this is actually smaller, lighter, and simpler. This is very suitable for those who have a kind of small mouth like me, and this toothbrush is actually easy to reach on the hard area and those who have very uneven teeth. This is also suitable for children above 5 years old. And in Atomy Mall, we actually can get these 2 items in 2 different prices, okay? And many will say that it's expensive because they see the price in one look, in one glance. But actually in one box itself, it contains 8 toothbrush, okay? Whereas for the compact toothbrush, in one box also contains 8. Can we imagine the saving that we are actually having? Because the doctor actually advised us to change our toothbrush every 2 months. However, you'll be surprised at how good condition this toothbrush will be. So don't straight away throw it away. Keep it for cleaning for small areas. Like me, I use it to wash the sink and so on. Okay, and another toothbrush that I would like to share is the kids toothbrush, because Atomy does not only take care of adults, but they love our future generation, which is our children. Okay, this kids toothbrush actually is grade 1 and it is FDA approved and it is known for as a medical device. Aside from that, it also have this KIFA, okay, which is antibacterial test certification obtained for this. Another one is the KC, okay, KC cert, which is a special act for safety for our children products. All right, and the last and not last, okay, it is very soft, thin, and rich. And did you know that it is made from 99.9% pure gold? And you also will find the grip, okay, because I don't have it with me, the grip is easy to handle for our children. And in one box it contains 8 toothbrush. And another basic products that we must all know, and I'm sure many of us have tried, and for those who have not tried yet, do try, which is our Atomy toothpaste, the Propolis toothpaste. It contains actually two major ingredients. One is the green tea extract. It is actually has this superpower in removing bad breath and also deodorizing action in our mouth. And aside from that, because the main ingredients is propolis, it is this very brown tea and liquidy, and this liquid is actually collected from the entrance of the beehive, and it is the natural antibiotic, where it actually a substance with antibacterial and anti-inflammation effect. Alright, and I would like to share how great is this toothpaste, because I myself experienced it, where I combined the Atomy toothpaste and toothbrush actually stopped my bleeding gum. And also through my own experience, I went to the doctor, and the doctor will ask me, do you drink coffee and tea? Yes, I am having a coffee and tea drinker. And she said this to me, wow, surprisingly, for somebody who drinks coffee and tea, I do not almost have the yellowish thing accumulated on my teeth. Alright, she said my teeth is clean. Why? Because the effect of this toothpaste is actually, it helps for dental plaque removal. Aside from that, tartar deposition prevention, which is the yellow thing, especially for those likes to drink coffee and tea. We will notice that actually we'll have accumulation, the yellow thing on our teeth, and also helps to prevent dental cavities and also bad breath. Alright, so this is the beauty of Atomy toothpaste and also toothbrush. I'm sure a lot of us have heard, because we are not fully dressed until we wear our smile. Because our smile, not only a satisfaction, alright, but it is also to help us in our emotion and also our physical well-being. That is the importance of having a good and beautiful smile, because taking care of our oral and dental health is not only about preventing bad breath, tooth decay, or even gum problems, and keeping our teeth until we get older, but it is an overall of our well-being. So do make sure to try the Atomy toothpaste and toothbrush if you haven't tried it yet, because this work wonders on me, and I'm sure it will do on you as well. And did I not mention, or maybe I have forgotten to mention, that our toothbrush and also our toothpaste are certified halal. So everyone can actually use our toothpaste and also toothbrush.